Hi friends, welcome to my channel, The Pitman Shorthand in Telugu. I am your Phanirani. Now in this advanced phrases series, today's word is address. Address. Today's word is address. It can be had in phrases by doubling the last stroke and adding circle S. It can be had in phrases by doubling the last stroke and adding circle S. Look at the examples now. The first one is annual address. Annual address. N and L downward L doubling stroke with circle S. This is annual address. Next one is chairman's address. Chairman's address. Chairman's address. This is chairman's address. Chairman's address. Next one is governor's address. Governor's address. Governor's address. This is governor's address. G, V and N doubling with circle S. This is governor's address. Next one is Indian representatives Indian representatives address. Indian N with D and N hook. Indian representatives address. Look at here. N, D with N hook and R with F hook with circle S. This is Indian representatives address. And next one is Pakistan representatives address. Pakistan representatives address. P, K, circle S, T and N and representatives address. P, K, circle S and T with N hook and R, F with F hook and circle S. Pakistan representatives address. Next one is Indian representative representatives address to the Security Council. Indian representatives address to the Security Council. Look at the stroke. Indian representatives address to the council. This is Indian Security Council. Circle S K and circle S K. Indian representatives security and council. Disjoining of K. K here K means council and this K means security. This is R with the R doubling with F hook and circle S is representatives. Okay. This is Indian representatives address to the council. And next one is manager's address. Manager's address. MN jar with circle S. MN jar with circle S. Manager's address. Next one is official address. Official address. F, this is F with shell upward ish doubling with circle S. Official address. Next one is please let us have the address in question. Please let us have the address in question. Look at the stroke. Please let us have the question. This is please let us have the address. Next K with N hook. This is please let us have the address in question. And next one is postal address. Postal address. P circle S, L doubling with circle S. Postal address. Next one is presidential address. Presidential address. Presidential address. Per with circle S with shan upward L and doubling of shan with circle S. Presidential address. Next one is prime minister's address. Prime minister's address. Per M doubling with circle S. This is prime minister address. Only in case of only prime minister we should like this prime minister. This is in case of S circle, this is prime minister's address. Look at the difference carefully. Next one is timely address. Timely address. TML doubling with circle S. Timely address. TML with circle S. This is timely address. Next one is telegraphic address. Telegraphic address. Talgar circle S. This is telegraphic address. Talgar doubling with V hook and circle S. This is telegraphic address. Next one is wrong address. Wrong address. Upward or ing doubling with circle S. Upward or ing doubling with circle S. This is wrong address. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please practice these all advanced phrases. It increases our speed in dictation, and also we know the different types of advanced phrases for our better knowledge in shorthand. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.